Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Vastking Fit M3 smartwatch. Here in the back of the box we see the features that this smartwatch has. We have step counting, a monitor for calories, a sensor for blood oxygen, sleep monitor and heart rate monitor, and some other features here. Inside of the box we will find the smartwatch, the charger and paperwork. Looking at the box, we see that we have a nice design. This is very slim. This is the smartwatch itself. Here we have the paperwork. This is the user manual. We can learn how to set up the smartwatch here. Also, this is the warranty. We have an extended 1-year free warranty. You can register online by scanning this QR code here. Also, if you want, you can follow Vastking on social networks. And this is the charger. And there is nothing else on the box. Have a short cable here, which is type A on one side, and this round charger has 2 connections here and has a magnet where we can connect here and plug this on the USB port and charge it. This is a smartwatch. This is the back of the smartwatch. Here we have the button, and this is like a silicone strap. Let me just try it on. Now I want to mention that this strap feels very nice, and it's not like this is a cheap strap, cheap plastic one. This feels very nice. This is a good material here. Now let's take a look at the smartwatch. Now here we have the functions of the smartwatch. We can press the button here in order to go back. Now let's take a look at the features one by one. Here we have do not disturb. This is the brightness. Here we have some watch faces. Here we have the option where we can find our phone. We need to pair the watch with a smartphone first. Here we have a button where we can control the camera of the phone, and we can use the watch as a shutter button for the camera. If we press the button here and we swipe up, here we will have our notifications. If we press the button and we swipe down, we will see the smartwatch settings. If we press the button and go left, we will see again the same settings that we saw here. If we press the button and we swipe right, we will see the steps, we will see the sleep monitor and the heart rate monitor. Also, this is the oxygen level that this smartwatch measures. Now let me just pair with the app. So now, pairing the smartwatch, we need to install the app called Fit. It's an app here. And here on the app we need to press add the device, and as you can see the device is searching and has found the smartwatch Vastking Fit M3. It says here that it wants to pair. Okay, so allow, and as you can see here the smartwatch is paired. This is an old iPhone SE, and I use this device on purpose because it's an old one and this is a new smartwatch. But this being an iPhone, it has the latest iOS version here and it still works very good. Now here on the app we can see more functions of the smartwatch. Also here we can synchronize more watch faces. And as you see here, we have a lot of faces here that we can download and synchronize to our watch. Now let's try with one. And as you can see, it's transferring the downloaded file to the smartwatch. Now, while this is syncing, I want to mention that you need to read the manual. If you've never paired a smartwatch with a smartphone before, you need to read the manual, and here it will say all of the steps that you need to take to pair your smartwatch. Also here, as I was reading the manual, I've seen that these here are all of the functions that this smartwatch has. You can screenshot here or pause the video and read it if you want. And now let's go back to the watch face. As you saw, I've downloaded a watch face here. It's now synced with the smartwatch. Here on the app we see all of the notifications are allowed, and all the notifications I received in this smartphone I will also receive on this smartwatch. Here we see the most important features of this smartwatch, which are the step monitor, the sleep monitor, the heart rate, and the blood oxygen monitor. And now I will take this smartwatch outside and see how this watch will look outdoors in my hand and how the display will look outside.